Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where all your maths questions get answered. If you're here, you probably want some quick and effective tips for tackling maths questions, whether it's for homework, exams, or just for fun. And let's face it, maths can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Let's dive straight into today's question. 3 friends went to a shop and bought 3 toys. Each friend paid £10 for their toy. The shopkeeper gave them a £5 discount. Each friend then gets back £1 and they give £2 to a charity donation. So they have each paid £9 to the shopkeeper and in total a £2 donation. So 9 times 3 is 27 plus 2 is 29. Where is the missing £1? Well, this question is all about understanding what is payment, what is returning, and then sort of the wording of that £2 donation at the end as well as to where this missing £1 has gone. So if we start off by saying all 3 friends have their £10 here that collectively gets paid to the shopkeeper here to get £30. Now the shopkeeper then gives them a discount. So of this £30, they only actually end up paying £25. So the shopkeeper then returns £1 back to each of the 3 people, leaving £2 remaining as the donation. So if we look at this in the way that it's been written here, each person now only pays £9, so that's 27, and then there's this £2 that's mysteriously here as well, which if we add it gets us to 29. However, we cannot actually add this because in practicality, the 25 here is what the shopkeeper receives. Each of the individual friends receive £1, so that's 25 plus 3 lots of 1 plus the £2 donation here. So that in total actually gets us the full £30. The missing part of this question for the £1 that's technically missing is looking at the fact that we've got £30 initially that drops down to £27, but that's not actually true. £25 is what has been paid and not £27. So in the question here it said 27 and then 2 as the extra, but that's not true. Each person here pays £9, yes, that is true, but they actually in total then have more left over, okay, because the shopkeeper has given them back from 30. So they have actually then received 1 back, and collectively the shopkeeper technically has paid the 2 from the £5 that was originally returned. I hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment your questions down below. See you in the next one.